Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to learn about full outer join. So what is the definition for full outer join? All the tuples or rows in any dbms from both R and S relations or tables are included in the resulting relation. Full outer join is the combination of left outer join and right outer join. If there are no matching tuples for both relations, their respective unmatched attributes are made null. Look at the Venn diagram. R and S both are included, and look at the symbol, which is body from the both sides are open. So here is the example of full outer join student sample result. So now look at the condition, that is student table is with blue color and result table is with green color, and the resulting table is here with black color. So 3 record, which is with the name Shujat, is not in result table, which is in green table, and the ID 4 is also not in blue table. So Shujat with ID 3 marks null, and 90 marks are also here null in name and ID. So now we are going toward implementation. Open XAMPP server for implementation. Select the database, test data, and select student.id, which means student table, and ID is the attribute, and another attribute is that ID, name, and marks from student. So left join with result table on result.id and student.id. So union all, select student.id, name is the attribute and marks is also attribute from student. Right join with result table on result.id is equal to student.id. Execute the query. First copy the query and then execute the query. Press Ctrl plus enter, and here are the results. Look at the record 3, which is Shujat, and marks are null because there is no record with ID 3 in result table, and it is the type of which is here the left outer join. And the second one is that, which is the type of right outer join, because 90 is selected and ID 4 is not in student table. So this is all about full outer join. Thank you for watching this lecture.